everybody knows how hard you train. Well, at least people think they know how hard you train. What do your workouts look like on like a average day?
Well, on a day that I don't work, my exercise, the first thing I do when I wake up, I always meditate. That's number one. So for me, there's two ways of training, right? There's mental training and there's physical training. So for me, meditation is a mental way of training. It improves my focus, improves my ability to stay present, and that's going to help me throughout the day, no matter what I'm doing, whether I'm in the gym or in the practice. Now, my physical training is body weight oriented. So on my days that I'm not working, I'll go to a gym, local gym in Bay Ridge called Badass Academy, and we do pull-ups, push-ups, burpees, box jumps, you name it, we're doing it. Handstand push-ups, ring rows, lots of different exercises that work on the functionality of movement, help me stay limber and strong for when I'm working in the office. Now, my chiropractic days when I'm in the office, I work, as you know, 16, 17 hours a day straight. So those days, I get up in the morning, do my meditation, and I'll do some light stretching and some very slow controlled movements. Not cardiovascular based movements at all, because I don't want to expend a lot of energy, just enough to get the circulation going, maybe some slow controlled push-ups, slow controlled body weight squats, slow controlled handstand push-ups, just to get my body functioning right. So when I can come to the practice, I still have my full amount of energy to work that many hours and be as physical as I am when I'm in my practice.
That's awesome. And all right, so now can you give us an example of what your last workout looked like when you weren't at the practice?
Yes, I did a workout just the other day, and I did 50 box jumps at a 30-inch box, 100 pull-ups, 100 burpees, 100 sit-ups, 150 push-ups, 200 bodyweight squats. I climbed a 12-foot rope 3 times without using my legs, only my arms. Pushed a 350-pound sled 5 times, 1.5 minute plank, ran a quarter a mile, and another 1.5 minute plank.
That's awesome. It's powerful.
It was good.
And how old are you?
47.
I love it.